Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is a little different. I asked you guys on Instagram if you would want to see this or not because Bob bought a couple of things for me. One of the things we ordered in January, this was kind of a fluke thing with this company. It was supposed to be here for our vacation and it got here like a couple days before I got home. So this is an unboxing. I use a company called FASHIONPHILE for almost every piece of luxury item I have. Like all of my Louis Vuittons, I have purchased from them. There's a couple of Louis Vuittons I really love that they don't make anymore. And so I purchased two from them. And FASHIONPHILE has been in business for a really long time. I actually heard about them probably 15 years ago when they were featured on the Today morning show. And so they are luxury resale goods, which in my opinion, most of these things, I think you should try to get them from companies like FASHIONPHILE because they are really expensive. Don't get me wrong, it's really fun to go into these high-end stores and have that whole buying experience, and that's great. However, it's also fun to save money so that you can do other things. So I don't know which one is which. I thought I did, but we'll see. So I just pulled them out of the box, but everything's very cute. They're little stickers that they close the tissue paper with. Says used is the new. So we'll see which one this is, and then I'll tell you what the description on the website is. I do like that if this person who sold it doesn't have the original dust bag that it comes with, they do provide you with their FASHIONPHILE dust bag. So, okay, so this is the one I had hoped to have before I left for Jamaica, but alas, it did not show up. They had been moving in between warehouses, and apparently this particular item was in that move, and so it took them almost a month to get it to me. That's not normal for them. I usually have things in 2 days, and if it's from the warehouse in California, sometimes I even get it overnight. So this is by YSL, and it's the chevron monogram envelope chain wallet. So this would have been really great for Jamaica because I love wearing white because you get a tan. It's cold here in Vegas and it's windy, and I'm like, Bob just said to me this morning, he's like, I've been cold since we got home, and I'm like, it's not 85 degrees and sunny. So it is. Do you ever smell your leather goods? I love that smell. I've never owned any YSL. I've really been a pretty strict Louis Vuitton girl, but I saw this and I just thought it was so cute. And they also list on the website the condition it's in, and then you can read what their grading system is. The condition on this was very good. I try to do very good, and sometimes you even have new items where people got them as a present or something, put them in their closet, never wore them, and then they resell them. So I've gotten lucky with a few things like that too. So this is freaking adorable, but how cute. You can obviously, like, a lot of people would cross, but this would have been so cute in Jamaica. I had a really cute white outfit I wore one night, but it's just the right size, really. Like if you're going out, you see, it's got a place for credit cards. You can fit your cell phone in there, some keys, lipstick, whatever. It's just the right size to go out with. So I'm really happy with this. Again, I wish I'd had it for a vacation. First world problems, I know. So the second thing that he got me, this is Prada, and I've never had a Prada bag either. So it's the soft calfskin chain flap in black. And this also was in very good condition. And you can search that. They have an app too, but you can filter your search results by the condition. So I do like choosing, you know, the very good or new. This thing feels like a butter. What do you think, Apollo? What do you think? Do you want to smell it? You want to smell it? No. Apollo's not down with that. Okay. I do. Oh, this one smells even better than that one. So this is super cute with this buckle. And then this has a similar, don't you guys love that chain? I just think that is so cute. So it is definitely bigger. It feels a little more, it's softer and a little more, oh, they do have the dust bag for this one. This one came with its own dust. You know, some people don't save these things. If you buy anything, I have all my Christian Louboutin shoes. I have dust bags for all of them. I do own a couple Gucci belts that I did buy from Gucci. I don't usually buy, I wouldn't buy shoes from here unless they were brand new. I just have a thing about sticking my feet in someone else's shoes. I kind of feel like it's like buying secondhand underwear. Gross, I know. But so this person did have the Prada dust bag. So I appreciate that. So very similar. It's a pretty good size pouch. And then this has, oh, and this one, another thing is the certificate of authenticity. People throw these out too. So it's not that big. You can see how far that zipper pouch is. It's not huge, but I'm like, where's my phone? Looking at it. So, you know, it wouldn't fit like, you know, how big the iPhones have gotten. But, I mean, you can fit your ID, a credit card, some money, and your keys in here, and that would be fine. I mean, and that's what I wanted because I totally have had the mom bags. I mean, I travel with, the only time I ever carry this bag, it's one of the Celine, why can't I think of what it is? I also bought it from FASHIONPHILE, but it's like a Celine, it's like the small luggage something, but it's a huge purse, but I mean, it's deep, you can fit a ton of stuff in there. And then even my day-to-day bag, you know, Bob is always like, can you hold this for me and put it in there? But with this, you can tell them, no, I cannot hold that for you. I don't have enough room. So those are what I received. So it's kind of like, you know, part of the Valentine's Day thing. So I'm really happy with both of them. I think they're both really, really pretty. And I definitely will get some use out of them. So if you guys like this, let me know. You know, I don't buy this stuff every week, but as I get, you know, purchase other things, I definitely will share with you guys if you're into that. So thanks for watching and be on the lookout. I think I'm gonna do a reaction to Tammy Slayton next. Right, Apollo? Is that good? Okay. He approves. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.